How to add shadow in CapCut. Alright guys, so your first step would be to open up your CapCut, head into media, and then where we have the import option, go ahead and import your clip. That is a clip you'd like to work on with CapCut. So once you've selected the clip you want to work on, it's going to be added over here. Just simply drag it into your timeline and place it here. All right, so now we're just going to head over to where we need our text. So make sure you drag the cursor to where you need it to be for your text to be added. Now click on text here, and where we have default text, go ahead and drag it and place it directly on the line. Once you have placed it on the line, you're going to see the default text is here. So let's just go ahead and change what we want it to say. Let's make it say something else. All right, and now all you need to do once you've placed your text, go ahead and activate shadow. You can see the shadow color is set to black. So all you need to do here is just simply go ahead and select the color you want. And once you have, you could also customize the settings as much as you want as well by simply increasing or decreasing the opacity, and then the blurriness, it can be more or it can be less depending on how you want it. And then the distance from the original text and the angle of the blur can also be shifted. All right guys, that's how you can simply add shadows. Once you're done, just go ahead and export your clip and it will be added there. You can also change your text color to match and mirror your shadow. You could just have it look like this, or you could just simply have a different text color altogether.